Be ready. 5 seconds. Start.
Parliament may by law provide for the adjudication or trial by administrative tribunals of disputes and complaints with respect to recruitment and conditions of service of persons appointed to public services and post in connection with the affairs of the union or of any state or of any local or other authority within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India or of any corporation owned or controlled by the government. A law made under clause 1 may provide for the establishment of an administrative tribunal for the union and a separate administrative tribunal for each state or for two or more states. Specify the jurisdiction powers, including the power to punish for contempt and authority which may be exercised by each of the said tribunals. Provide for the procedure, including provisions as to limitation and rules of evidence to be followed by the said tribunals. Exclude the jurisdiction of all courts except the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court under Article 136 with respect to the disputes or complaints referred to in clause 1. Provide for the transfer to each such administrative tribunal of any cases pending before any court or other authority immediately before the establishment of such tribunal as would have been within the jurisdiction of such tribunal if the causes of action on which such suits or proceedings are based had arisen after such establishment. Appeal or amend any order made by the President under clause 3 of Article 371D contain such supplemental, incidental and consequential provisions, including provisions as to fees as Parliament may deem necessary for the effective functioning of and for the speedy disposal of cases by and the enforcement of the orders of such tribunals. The provisions of this article shall have effect notwithstanding anything in any other provision of this constitution or in any other law for the time being in force. 323b. The appropriate legislature may by law provide for the adjudication or trial by tribunals of any disputes, complaints or offences with respect to all or any of the matters specified in clause 2 with respect to which such legislature has power to make laws. The matters referred to in clause 1 are the following, namely: A. Levy, assessment, collection and enforcement of any tax. B. Foreign exchange, import and export across customs frontiers. C. Industrial and labor disputes. D. Land reforms by way of acquisition by the state of any estate as defined in Article 31A or of any rights therein or the extinguishment or modification of any such rights or by way of sealing on agriculture land or in any other way. E. Sealing on urban property. F. Elections to either House of Parliament or the House or either House of the Legislature of a state, but excluding the matters referred to in Article 329 and Article 329A. G. Production, procurement, supply and distribution of foodstuffs including edible oilseeds and oils and such other goods as the President may by public notification declare to be essential goods for the purpose of this article and control of prices of such goods.